Hi everyone, and this is the unboxing, which I've just unboxed. Right there's my box. From my Gurney's order. I placed my order February 10th. The date here is April 19th, although today's date is May 1st that this package was on my porch. So I don't know if FedEx or UPS had this for a while, but I ordered asparagus, the purple passion asparagus, and the Jerusalem artichokes, which aren't really from Jerusalem. But anyway, I just want to show you what I got here. So now keep in mind, I'm unfamiliar with growing either one of these, so if somebody knows what the issue is here, they can tell me. But I have a lot of plants. I do a lot of plants. This is what I got, and these are all just, everything's dry. And I when I have roots and I get rootstock in the mail, it's never this dry. I really don't know that this is even worth space in the garden, and I don't know if asparagus is supposed to be dried out. Maybe it is. But then here's my Jerusalem artichokes, and look at this. That's mold. That's mold or mildew. Right there some. Right there some. Now this one actually, this piece right here feels all mushy. More mold. Look at that. That's disgusting. More mold. And this is my 2 pounds of Jerusalem artichoke. So I've come in here on the scale to weigh that to see if that is 2 pounds. And it's 14.9 ounces. Didn't feel like it was 2 pounds. 2 pounds. I paid for 2 pounds. I get 14.9 ounces of dried up, moldy stuff. I am really displeased. And I had ordered from Gurney's years ago. I mean, I'm talking 20, 30, probably 30 years ago. And nothing that I ordered grew. And they kept sending offers that were really good, like half off. So I decided to try them. And yeah, well, I'm thinking that probably wasn't a good thing, but I'm wondering if this date has anything to do with it. But I mean, that might cover the dryness and that might cover the mold. I'm not real sure about that. Well, I decided to come in here and weigh these even though they weren't sold by the pound. 1.6 ounces of asparagus roots. And what did I pay for this? The 1.6 ounces of asparagus roots, $12.50, and that was half off. And the artichoke, which is supposed to be 2 pounds, that was 15 ounces, I paid $10 for. Yeah, I'm going to be giving them a call right now. So, I guess, you know, I just can't recommend Gurney's, and I will not be ordering from them again at all. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about the asparagus and if it's supposed to be all dried out like that. And if, well, I'm not planting that. That's moldy. No, I just don't do that. I hope. But anyway, that's it. Very disappointed. Okay, I'm going to quit rambling now. See you later. Well, hello everyone. So I called Gurney's, and I'm going to appear racist, but they were, the representatives that I spoke with really didn't speak very good English, but they were very helpful. So the first man, I told him exactly what the problem was. I told him about the mold. I told him about the dried out roots, I told him how much they weighed, and he said, well, they're not available for a replacement. Would you like something else? I said, no, I wouldn't want a replacement even if they were available. I want a refund. And not only do I want a refund of my $23.83, I want a refund of my shipping, which I had calculated at $4.77. And he said he wasn't allowed to issue a refund. I would have to talk to his superior. So I had to wait. And so far at that point, it was 10 minutes. So he came back twice and told me he was sorry for, keeping me on hold. So he was very nice then. But then I finally got the superior on the phone, and she said she was a supervisor. And she really did help me. And she said she calculated my shipping at $9.53, $8.99 plus tax. And that I would receive two refunds, $23.83 and $9.53, and it would take 3 to 5 days. So if everything goes smoothly, that's great. And then she said she's sending me a certificate in the mail. I told her she really didn't have to do that, a $10 gift card or gift certificate for Gurney's. And I told her, no, I really don't need that, because I will not be ordering from them again. And, she was very apologetic and everything like that. And I asked her if she was a gardener. She said, yes, she was. And I said, what would you do if somebody sent you moldy stuff? Would you plant it? She said, absolutely not. And that it should have never happened. She was very apologetic and very nice. So now I have to wait 3 to 5 days, and we'll see if I get that refund. So, all right. That's it. Just wanted to let you know how that went.